Hello beauty, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I made this scotch bonnet, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, let's go. I want to say a big thanks to my hold on my new subscriber. You guys are always welcome to my channel. May God bless you all. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, guys, please don't hesitate to subscribe. And if you're subscribed here before, may God Almighty bless you. Okay guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can be making your scotch bonnet at home. We just need a tape and your thread, your scissors to be cutting the material, and the elastic you will be using. Okay, and here's the material that I will be using. Okay guys, let's cut it together. Here's the material, and I just folded it into two now. Okay, and first I'll be cutting it here to make it two pieces. Okay, now I have two pieces. All I need to do is to fold it again and again. Okay guys, we'll be needing here. Okay, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm cutting the both parts together. That is why it's 4. So if you're cutting one part and you have the other material to put at the other side, you can cut it 2. Here I'll be taking my tape. I'll be measuring 10 and half. 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 Okay, the next thing I will be doing now is to be joining the line I draw together. Okay guys, as you can see it now. Okay, let me take down the camera a little. Okay, let's take the measurement again. Start from here. 10 and half. Okay, just mark it all round. Okay, the next you'll be doing now is to take your scissors and cut out okay guys, I've already cut it now. So the next thing is to open it. As you can see now, it's round. Don't forget, I made the two, you see, because I don't have another material to make the both sides. So I will be using this for the back and also at the front. So the next thing I will be doing now guys is to make the right side and the right side together. Okay, the right side and the right side together. Okay, make sure it's equal. The next I'll be doing now is to be sewing it round, but I will use my pin to hold it. Okay now guys, as you can see, I just finished passing around the pin to hold it frame. Okay, the next I will be doing now is to sew it round. Then I'll be leaving a space to turn it because the right side is inside. Okay guys, guys, as you can see, I just finished sewing it round. Now the next thing is to turn it. Okay, but there's a lot of excess cloth outside the sewing, so we'll be cutting it. Okay, just like this. Then we'll be turning it. Okay, the next now is to turn it. Okay, this is it, guys, and I'll be taking my scissors to make it a little bit. So if you have pressing iron, you can press it, but mine is all out because I use this to straighten it. Okay, but it's good you use pressing iron. Then the next thing is to sew it round again for your elastic. Okay, then I will be putting this to hold it. My elastic is not wide, it's tiny, so I'll be making a tiny sewing again round. Okay guys, at first I'm using pin to hold it round. Okay, now guys, I just finished putting my pin now to hold it, then I'll be sewing it round. Okay, what I sewed, it was at the back. Now I'm sewing the front part now. Okay. Okay, just tie it here now to make it more stronger. Then I will be cutting it with scissors. Okay guys, I got my pin, and I will be opening it and be putting on my thread. Okay, now passing my pin with the elastic. Okay guys, I just finished passing it, and now the next I will be doing it is to be sewing it here. Okay guys, the next thing now is to be sewing that place which I opened down before to turn it out. Okay guys, here's the finished look. Okay guys, here's the finished look. If you love my video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I actually make this bow tie off camera, and if you want to know how I make it, you can request on it and I will be doing this guys. Thank you all the subscribers. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the like, for the comments, and then for everything. Make you all. Bye bye. Let me know what you think about this scotch bonnet in the comment section. Thank you all guys. Stay tuned. Remain blessed.